What is up, traders? This is a video I've been wanting to do for a very long time on how to start investing in the crypto markets. This is going to be a step-by-step process from how you're going to create your wallet account to how you're going to verify it and how to buy cryptocurrencies or transfer your fiat money into your wallet account and buy and exchange cryptocurrencies on the wallet. And after you've made profit on your cryptocurrency, how you are even going to withdraw it back into your mobile money or bank account or wherever you want to withdraw it to. Firstly, to create an account on Binance, you need to be over 18 years. I'm sorry if you are less than 18. Well, you could make your guardian create an account for you to use, and later when you're 18 years, you can transfer your account to your personal account. When you download Binance on the Play Store or on the iOS store, this is the platform, or this is the first screen you're going to see when you want to create an account. You are in Ghana, so automatically the system is going to catch it. Confirm. Now on Binance, you have the option to choose whether you want to create the account with your email or with your phone number. In this tutorial, I'm going to use my phone number. Secondly, your password. So try to use a strong password with uppercase, lowercase, a digit, and then a symbol. So I'm going to type my password here. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions, which I know a lot of people do not even read them. So create account. And then you go through this Binance security verification. A lot of people on this screen, they're just going to wait till they receive the code. No, you have to click get code before you'll be able to get the code on your phone. So I just clicked on get code and it says verification code sent. The code is only valid for 30 minutes. So if you receive the code after 30 minutes, that means it's going to be invalid. So make sure you receive the code within 30 minutes and enter it into the system. I think Binance needs to make it bold so that when anyone sees it, he or she will know he has to click it. I just received my verification code and it's 556101. So it is a 6-digit code. After creating the Binance account, you're going to log in using your credentials, and then this is the page or the platform you're going to land into. You click on this icon at the top left corner and you're going to have this options over here. Right here you can see my account is verified, but for you, you might see not verified or unverified. So click on that tab and let's get to see what you need to do the verification. For the verification, we have two types of verification. That's the verified and verified plus. So the verified plus is the advanced version, whereby you're going to add your proof of address. That could be your bank statements, your light bill, or your water bill. But for now, I'm only on the verified area. For the verified area, these are the information you need to enter. Number one, your personal information. That's whereby we talk about the KYC, know your customer. Here you're going to enter your personal details. That's your name, your phone number, your date of birth, your email, those basic stuff. Number two, that's your ID. That's a government issued ID. It could be your voter's ID. If you are in Ghana, it can be your Ghana card. It can be your driver's license or any government issued ID. You're going to take the front side picture and the back side. You can use your passport as well. Number three, they're going to take your facial recognition. So you're going to take a selfie. They can make you turn your hair left, right, top down, so that they have the full scope of how your face looks like. So these are the three types of things you're going to enter or you need to put in to get yourself verified and start trading or start exchanging cryptocurrencies on Binance. So let's say you are done entering all this information and you are reviewed and you've been verified. How can you buy cryptocurrencies on Binance? Now let's try to buy some cryptocurrencies. On the home screen, down there you have home, we have markets, trade, futures, and wallets. On the wallet section on top, we have overview, spot, funding, margin, and others. So we want to send money from our mobile money account or our bank accounts into our funding accounts. What do we do? The easiest way is to use P2P. So P2P is peer-to-peer, buying cryptocurrency or selling to another peer. So on the P2P, you can see buy and sell. Now I want to buy, so I'll go to the buy section. I can choose to buy USDT, that's the US dollar. I can choose to buy Bitcoin. I can choose to buy Binance USD, that's equivalent to $1. I can choose to buy BNB. I can choose to buy Ethereum or DAI. Now I want to buy USDT or I want to buy dollar. So how do I get my cedis in my mobile money account to my funding account in dollars? Here I'm going to buy $1 from an agent. I'm going to do this with the help of the filter. So I'll click on the filter and say my money is on MTN mobile money. I want a seller who receives MTN mobile money. So I'll just filter MTN. Which country? Any country. If the person is in the US and is willing to take MTN mobile money and give me cryptocurrencies, that's fine. So I'll just confirm or accept it. After accepting it, how much cryptocurrency do I want to buy? I'll go to filter again and say I want to buy, let's say 20 Ghana cedis. 20 Ghana cedis of the dollar. So I'll just type 20 here and then I'll confirm again. Here the filter is going to arrange them from the best rates to the worst rates of agents who are willing to sell 20 Ghana cedis of dollar to me. The first person we are seeing here is Bishop. Now Bishop has taken 1,537 trades and his feedback score is 98.59%. That's a pretty good score. So there's just a little people who didn't have a good transactions with him. Now I'll click on buy and then I'll type 20 Ghana cedis. Just 20 Ghana cedis. So you see, you can buy as little as 20 Ghana cedis of crypto. I'll click on buy and then I go to the next page. Here you're going to read the terms of Bishop. He said, I transact with only serious people. I'm a serious person. Leave positive feedback after the trade. That's not compulsory. If I like and if everything went on well, I can leave a positive feedback. Call me on 02 in case I delay your payments. So you go to pay or go to the payments page. On the payments page, you see it's giving you two numbers. He's saying you can pay to 059. Okay, those two are the same numbers. So what I'll do is that I'm going to copy the number. You see it's copied. And now I'm going to pay for my mobile money account. Well, I can choose to pay from my bank account as well. In this video, I'm going to pay with my Fidelity banking app. On my Fidelity mobile app, I'm going to paste his number over here. MTN. How much am I willing to buy? I'm willing to buy 20 Ghana cedis. So you just enter the exact amount. You don't add any charges. You just enter the exact amount. So on the payments page here, it is telling me the recipient's name is Dennis Kozo, and this is the number. To MTN, the amount is 20 cedis. The narration, I'm not writing anything. Let me just confirm whether the name is right. So let me go back to the Binance page. And the name is Dennis. Okay, so it's the same name, so I can continue or I can proceed to pay him. Payment is done. So after payment is done, if you want your transaction or if you want him to release the cryptocurrency for you fast, You just take a screenshot of the payments and then you can send it to him to let him know that you've paid. So you click on transferred. So you tell him you've transferred the money, so he should check it at his end and then release your cryptocurrency to you. It also has a chat feature, so I can go to chat and I can send I have paid. So here I'm waiting for him to confirm the payments and release my cryptocurrency to me. There we go. So this was so fast. So your payments have been received. The assets USDT will be sent to your account. So that was so fast. So he has released the cryptocurrency. So going into my funding account, you can see now my USDT here is $2.90. So $20 equivalent to the dollar, that's 6.91, that's his rate, will give me $2.91. So you see here, I just bought USDT simply by using mobile money. Someone will ask, what if you send the money to the person and the person decides not to send the cryptocurrency to you? The Binance system works as an escrow system. So when you say, I am buying 20 Ghana cedis of cryptocurrency from this agent, Binance takes that amount of cryptocurrency you are buying from the person's account and holds it. So if the person confirms that he has received your payments, Binance then releases the money to you, or the person instructs Binance to release the funds or the crypto to you. That's how the system works. Sometimes you are going to do the payment to the person and the person will decide not to send you your cryptocurrency. That's whereby you need to prove to Binance that you've really done the payments. So you can send to them your bank statements or your payment receipts to prove that you've paid the money to the person, but the person is just avoiding, or the person doesn't want to pay you or send you your cryptocurrency. Binance is going to resolve the issue. If the person is at fault, Binance is going to deal with the person and get you your cryptocurrencies. And if it turns out you are lying, you didn't send the money to the person but claiming you sent the money, Binance is also going to deal with you in their way. Now I have my money in the funding account and I want to transfer my money from USDT to, let's say, XRP. XRP is a different cryptocurrency. So before I'll be even able to transfer or exchange my USDT, I need to send it to the spot wallet. In the funding wallet, you can't trade over there. So you need to send your money from the funding wallet to the spot wallet. So you go to transfer, and then you'll be transferring your USDT. That's maximum amount of USDT. So you are transferring 2.91 USDT from your funding account to your spot account. Confirm the transfer. So now you have $0 in your funding account. All the money has been sent to your spot account. That's whereby you can do exchange or trade cryptocurrency. You go to the trade section and you click on the BUSD USDT. You're going to buy XRP, so you will type XRP. So the first one that comes is XRP/USDT. So you can transfer XRP to USDT or USDT to XRP. So I'll click on that. Now, how much XRP do I want to buy? You see here we have buy and sell, but I want to buy XRP. So I'll click on the buy and type the maximum amount. So I want to buy 100%. All the money I have in USDT, I want to use that to buy XRP. I can type, or I can click on 50%. I want to just buy half of the money I have in my USDT account. But in this case, I'm going to use all the 100% I have. I can even choose to type how much I want. I can type 1.9. So here you can choose any amount you want to transfer. Now I click on buy XRP. It's saying the total must be greater than $10. Right now I have $2.90 in my USDT account. I still want to buy XRP, and it says I should get more than $10 or up to $10 of USDT before I'll be able to buy the XRP. That means I'll need to do some other deposits so that when it gets to $10 of USDT, I can transfer it and get my XRP. It is simple as that. In my next videos, I'm going to show you some cryptocurrencies that is going to explode this year so that you can transfer your USDT to those cryptocurrencies and then we make profit together in the course of the year. Traders, I hope this video is going to be informative for everyone who wants it. Stay safe and remember to trade safe.